Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block a particular website on Chrome in mobile. Start by opening the Chrome and search for NextDNS. Open the website and click on Try It Now. Scroll to the side until you find the option called Deny List. Add a domain or a website that you want to block. Let's say I want to block Facebook. After typing facebook.com, you will see that the toggle is on. Now scroll back and go to Setup, and you will see different options. But for now, just go to the option called DNS over HTTPS and copy the link. Now you have to go to Settings on your Chrome again. Go to Privacy and Security and go to Use Secure DNS. And just paste the DNS URL that we just copied. This method effectively blocks access to your preferred website on Chrome on mobile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.